Managing our inventory of consumables before quick stock, it was kind of a little bit more chaotic than it is now. When you're doing your monthly order, trying to manage 3 different jobs, certain things get forgotten about, so you got to send somebody down to the shop. It's kind of a waste of time doing it like that.
Our team can go straight to the cabinet, get permission from the workshop manager, grab their consumables, we can load them onto the jobs.
It gives you a real nice breakdown of what you're spending your money on. It just makes it real easy.
And it's increased productivity.
We're at GSE Engineering here in Wellington, specializing in structural and seismic upgrades. We're based here in the Petone area, but we service up the Kapiti coast, kind of up toward Palmy, and jobs also out toward the Wairarapa. We've got a few teams that do installs, and we got a handful of welders, fabricators for the workshop. We do a lot of new builds for residential houses, garage, carports, that kind of thing. General engineering with people just come off the street. So we got a pretty broad variety of work that we get in here. We decided to go with quick stock because of time management, really. Knowing that you've always got X amount of cutting discs on hand and annually cutters and spray cans is just a bit of peace of mind.
The cabinet is always full. It can cater to the size of your company, whether you're small or large.
It just kind of takes out a middleman, really, of having, a designated buyer or purchaser or something. And it just makes my life easier and definitely the office's life easier. When someone needs something out of the quick stock cabinet, they'll just come to either Josh or myself, and we keep a key on ourselves or in the office, and so they just come back. We grab it, whatever they need, sign it out, allocate a job number, and they're back on the floor, back to work. There you go. Quality of the products that we find with the quick stock, we've been very happy with. In the previous system, going from different suppliers and getting consumables from other places, we do find that the cost per use with the Euromarc stuff has been very good. A lot of the cheaper cutting discs, they kind of just go to dust very quick, whereas we're quite happy with how much we get out of these cutting discs and grinding discs. Annually cutters, they last a while. So we've been very happy with the quality of all the products. So I use the website for checking other products, just see if anything new has come out. And also for the monthly tracking of where we're spending our money, that's a good one. So we can actually show the bosses where the money is going, how it's allocated. So it's very helpful for that. I would definitely recommend the quick stock to anybody. It's just automatic, done and done. You don't even have to think about it, you don't have to activate it.
There's no hassle looking for products. It's a simple system to use.
It really saves a lot of time for us.